Hey there, health enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered about the best way to manage your blood pressure, lose weight, and boost your overall health without relying on medications? Let's dive into the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This eating plan is a game changer, and today, I'm here to tell you why. First off, the DASH diet is all about balance and flexibility. It emphasizes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and low-fat dairy foods. Think of it as a heart-healthy eating style you can maintain for life. The key here is to consume foods that are low in saturated fat, total fat, and cholesterol. Plus, it's rich in nutrients like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Sounds great, right? But let's get specific. One of the main goals of the DASH diet is to limit sodium intake to between 1,500 and 2,300 milligrams per day. That might sound challenging, but with the right choices, it's totally doable. The diet also recommends 4 to 5 servings of nuts, seeds, peas, and dry beans per week. Now let's talk about the health benefits. Following the DASH diet can lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This reduces your risk of heart disease, stroke, and even kidney disease. And if you're looking to shed some pounds, the DASH diet can help with weight loss and management. There's more. Research suggests it may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, like colorectal, breast, and lung cancer. Plus, it can help prevent or manage type 2 diabetes. So, what can you eat on the DASH diet? Whole grains like pasta, rice, bread, and cereal are great options. Load up on vegetables such as broccoli, sweet potatoes, greens, carrots, and tomatoes. Fruits like apricots, bananas, dates, oranges, grapes, and melons are perfect. Don't forget low-fat dairy foods like milk, cheese, yogurt, and even frozen yogurt. For protein, lean meats, poultry, and fish are your best bet. And of course, nuts, seeds, and legumes like sunflower seeds, beans, peas, lentils, almonds, peanuts, and pistachios should be in your diet too. But what about foods to avoid? Limit fatty meats like red meat and full-fat dairy products. Cut down on sugary foods and drinks, and steer clear of sodium-rich foods like processed and canned foods, soy sauce, and teriyaki sauce. Here are a few tips for following the DASH diet successfully. Eat a variety of whole, unprocessed foods. Keep an eye on your sodium intake and opt for low-sodium choices whenever possible. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine to maximize the benefits. And always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance. So, are you ready to give the DASH diet a try? It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that can significantly improve your health. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.